In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a website in InfinityFree. Now, the first thing you have to do, you must create your hosting account. So if you don't have one yet, of course, you want to go to hosting accounts up top and click on plus create account. Now, from here, you want to go and click on create now, or of course, order now in case you want any of the premium packages. And then from there, you'll be able to then select basically your domain or subdomain. Now, first, it's going to check a few things. And if it's successful, there we go. You can now put in your domain you want to use. So you have the subdomain and then the domain extension. You can put in whatever you want over here. I'm just going to basically name this one balloon and then IHT, which is the name of the channel. You'll see why in a few seconds. So like this, you want to go and then select the domain extension. And I'm going to just select something random here. I'm just going to do, let's just do infinityfree.me. Of course, it's up to you, whichever one you select. Then you want to click on check availability. And if it's available, you'll get everything, the account label. You can change that if you want to. You'll get the account username, which generates automatically, the password, and then the email preset or consent. So you have to go and select I approve or I don't. Up to you. I'm just going to do don't. Click on create account, and there we go. This is going to start creating, and as it says over here, it can take up to 72 hours or 3 days for the new domain to be visible everywhere due to DNS caching. Now, usually this page over here will update within a few seconds, but if it doesn't, you can go to a home over here and basically just exit this. It's going to do everything in the background, and then whenever it's done, you can see, there we go, you'll be able to come to this page over here where we can then go and deploy our website. So if I go to home tab, you can see over here I do have my page. So it's over here, my account. I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to take me back in here. Now from here, you want to go, and if you want to deploy your website, of course, there's a bunch of things you could do here, but the easiest way to do this, the most basic one, is to click on File Manager. And then to deploy the website you have, of course, first you must have it on your computer, and then you want to go to htdocs. In here it says files to your website should be uploaded here. So you want to go to the upload button up top, and then you want to find the files of your website which you want to deploy. So I'm going to click on choose files, and here I do have an index.html which I just generated using ChatGPT just for the sake of this tutorial. You'll see it's a very random website, but it will do because that's essentially how we deploy it. So if you have multiple files, select all of them, click open, click on upload files, and this will upload them in here. As you can see, it's here on the list. Now if you make a mistake, you could right click and delete them very easily. That's no big there. And then whenever you have all your website files here, you should be able to now basically see your website and it's been deployed. So if I go back here and view my site using this link, you'll see that up top, there we go. This is basically now my website. I can click on different buttons. I can go and basically select things, and this is an active website. If I share this link to anybody, they're going to see my website because it was successfully deployed. So that's essentially how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.